Sari Stars. How are things going on in your saree world? I'm Lakshmi, and today at Kalpavastram, I have for you a beautiful collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees. Puttandu and Vishu are just round the corner, and these Kanjivaram silks are just perfect for your festivities. So let's get started with this collection. We have for you a gorgeous Rekha style Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a beautiful shade of Yannarakku. The body of this Kanjivaram silk saree is in a gorgeous shade of Yannarakku and the borders have Banaras motifs in zari. The rich color of this Kanjivaram silk saree is beautifully complemented by its gorgeous grand pallu. The pallu is a long pallu and the motifs on the pallu are pakshis, diamonds. There is a broad band of zari again followed by pakshis and diamonds. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. Gold jewelry and diamond jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. This Kanjivaram silk sari with its gorgeous color and very long pallu is sure to channel your inner Rekha. A lovely and vibrant chartreuse green Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is a Yettukol sari. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a very fresh shade of green. The borders are Yettukol borders in zari. The pallu of the sari is also woven using the Yettukol weaving technique and it has Tazhambu Rekku and Seepu Rekku both done in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful royal blue or electric blue blouse or a deep purple blouse. Traditional gold jewelry and diamond jewelry will elevate the beauty of the sari. This sari is just perfect if you are wanting a vibrant look. For lovers of pastel, elegant threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, we have a beautiful one just perfect for you. This is a threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a very unusual and hard to come by kind of color. The color is a lovely and elegant sage grey. The motifs on the borders are threadwork motifs. The borders also have floral motifs done in thread. There is a lovely mustardish selvage which adds a lot of beauty to this sari. The pallu of the sari has threadwork and it is in the same colors as the borders. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a blouse in the lovely mustard which you find along the selvages. Pearl jewelry and beaded jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. Silver jewelry will also look great with this sari. This sari is just perfect if you want to have an elegant and sophisticated look. A pretty Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual combination. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a soothing, pretty shade of pink. There are Maratuli or raindrop motifs in zari all over the body. The borders have two stripes of zari and the color of the border is a very unusual mix of green and pink. The pallu of the sari is in the same dual tone as the borders. You can see the doopcham effect on the pallu here. The pallu has Seepu Rekku in zari. The sari has a doopcham blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this with traditional gold jewelry. This Kanjivaram is sure to give you a charming and pretty effect. Every sari lover wishes to have a Mubagam Kanjivaram silk sari. We have one for you in the most unusual color combination and design. The Mubagam sari is divided into three distinct portions. The upper portion is a beautiful green, the middle portion is a lavender color with stripes and zari buttas, and the lower portion of the sari is a deep purple. The pallu of the sari is very unique and very different with respect to the motifs. It has two bands of small motifs and in between there are circular zari motifs. The blouse fabric of the sari is in a beautiful deep purple. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize this sari with pearl jewelry or gold jewelry. This sari is perfect if you want to have a regal look and stand out in the crowd. A lovely threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a combination of auspicious mustard, pink and green. Mustard is considered a very auspicious color. This Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely shade of mustard with all over kattans or checks. There are floral thread buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a combination of green and pink and they have threadwork motifs of pakshis. The grand pallu of the sari has intricate threadwork motifs and it follows a similar color scheme as the borders. The sari has a short colored blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. Beaded jewelry and silver jewelry will look fabulous in this sari. If you want to have a casual festive look, then this sari will just be right for you. A very elegant Kanjivaram threadwork sari. This one is one of my absolute favorites and it's a very unusual and rare color in Kanjivaram. The body of the sari is in a very subtle, soothing shade of olive green. There are threadwork motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a combination of a beautiful teal blue and pinkish and there are threadwork motifs along the borders. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs and it is in the same color combination as the borders. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful teal colored blouse. Beaded jewelry and silver jewelry will look absolutely delightful with this sari. If you're going for a subtle and classic look, then this sari is the right choice. A Kattam Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very unusual combination of pink and ivory. This Kanjivaram silk sari has all over kattams or checks. The color combination is a mix of shades of pink and ivory. There are beautiful zari motifs, floral motifs on these grapes. The grand pink pallu of the sari has zari motifs and it's an absolute delight to see. The blouse fabric of the sari is in pink and it has floral zari motifs. This is a very versatile blouse fabric and you can pair this blouse with many of your other saris too. If you are looking for a sari for a special occasion like a wedding or reception, this sari is just right for you. You can pair this sari with beautiful pearl, gold or diamond jewelry. A beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari in a lovely color combination with a unique motif. This one is absolutely beautiful. This is a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a maroonish brown color and the borders are in a rust orange. The body of the sari has very unique motifs. These are very new and very different kind of motifs which look like a plus but they have some extended motifs on the plus. The rust colored borders have two rows of Rudraksha motifs in zari. There is a beautiful short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this gorgeous sari. The grand pallu of this Kanjivaram silk sari has diamond motifs and yali motifs in zari. The sari has a rust colored blouse fabric with the same borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. Diamond jewelry and traditional gold jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. This is an unusual Kanjivaram silk sari in a rare and unique Nagapada color. The body of the sari is in a very unusual and very unique Nagapada color and there are circular zari motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders have a beautiful pink selvage and two stripes of zari. The pallu of the sari has seepareka in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a beautiful pink blouse. Diamond jewelry and pearl jewelry will look beautiful with this sari. A lovely Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a fresh summery shade. The body of the sari is in a lovely lavender color and there are muthu all over the body of the sari. This sari doesn't have borders. There is a stripe of zari along the edges. The pallu of the sari has lovely seepareka in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold jewelry and silver jewelry, pearl jewelry, all these will look beautiful with this sari. A stunning Kanjivaram silk sari which brings together the beauty of Mail Chakram and the texture of Paimadi. This is a must-have in your wardrobes. The sari is in a beautiful combination of rust and maroon, and there are beautiful paimadi kattan or textured mat-like weave all over the body of the sari. Mild chakram motifs in zari adorn the body of this sari. The borders have zari temples and arai madam motifs. There is a beautiful short green selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The grand and intricate pallu of the sari has beautiful motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis and Banaras motifs in zari. The sari has a beautiful maroonish red blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. This is a gorgeous bridal sari perfect for special occasions like unjal. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. A very lovely, subtle, dual tone or doop chow Kanchivaram silk sari. This one is woven with 5 grams iron. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a lovely two-tone or doop chow color. You can see the two-tone effect here. It's a beautiful mix of blue and red. The borders of the sari are in red and there are beautiful paisley motifs in zari on the borders. The pallu of the sari has zari lines. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a blouse in the beautiful red of the borders. The small zari motifs on the body, the narrow borders with lovely paisley motifs and the lovely color combination makes this a must-have sari. You can accessorize this sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. For lovers of threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris, we have a gorgeous one for you in a lovely vintage color combination. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous festive yellow and the borders are Korvai borders in purple. There are temples along the borders and Rudraksha motifs, 2 rows of these on the borders. The purple pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs of Rudraksham and temples. The sari has a deep purple blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse. Silver jewelry and beaded jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. If you love subtle colors and if you love threadwork Kanjivarams, then this one is just right for you. This is a lovely pastel lavender threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari. There are small threadwork motifs on the body and the borders have floral threadwork motifs. The pallu of the sari has threadwork motifs similar to the borders. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful pink blouse in the color of the selvage. Pearl jewelry will look just great with this sari. A pretty pink Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has all over Muthukattam. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is in a pretty pastel pink and there are Muthukattam or checks all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a deeper pink and there is a zari stripe along the borders. The short green selvage elevates the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari is in deep pink and it has seepareke in zari. The sari has a deep pink blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a beautiful green blouse. A green adiga will go very well with this sari. We begin with a beautiful Korvai Kanjivaram silk sari in a gorgeous color combination. The body of the sari is a gorgeous maroonish brown and there are Malatuli or raindrop motifs all over the body. The borders are Korvai borders and there are temples along the Korvai borders. The borders are in orange and there are Zari Kattam all over the borders. The orange pallu of the sari has seepareke in Zari. This combination of this maroonish brown and orange is a fabulous combination and perfect for special occasions and events. The sari has an orange blouse fabric with zari checks. This is a very versatile blouse fabric and you can pair it with many of your other saris too. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. Traditional gold and diamond jewelry will look very beautiful with this sari. This sari has a traditional Korvai borders with contemporary checks along the borders. A very beautiful Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a gorgeous shade of plum magenta. The body of the sari is in a gorgeous short magenta plum and there is a zari stripe along the edges of the sari. The pallu of the sari has two gorgeous paisleys, one at either end of the sari. These are Konya paisleys and there is a beautiful peacock within each paisley. There are also zari bands on the pallu. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Traditional gold jewelry will look beautiful with the sari. Pearl jewelry will also look lovely with this sari. The simple body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is complemented by this gorgeous pallu, making it a showstopper. A classic Kattam Kanjivaram. This one is in a beautiful combination of deep red with a green selvage. The body of the sari is in a beautiful deep festive red and there are Muthukattam all over the body of the sari. The borders have a row of zari motifs here and the beautiful green selvage highlights the beauty of the sari. The pallu of the sari has seepareke in zari. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a beautiful green blouse in the color of the selvage. A lovely green adiga will look fabulous with this sari. This sari is just perfect for all kinds of special occasions and events. You can dress it up depending on the occasion. A very vibrant and festive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one is in a very lovely shade of orange. a gorgeous, vibrant Kanjivaram silk saree in orange. There are beautiful zari paisley motifs along the edges. The orange pallu of the saree has seepareka in zari. The saree has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a beautiful deep green blouse. A green adiga will look fabulous with this saree. Orange is a lovely festive color, and this is a must-have color in your wardrobe. Vairavusi is a must-have in a bridal trousseau. We have a gorgeous pastel Vairavusi that is just perfect for you. The body of the saree is in a very pretty pastel shade, and there are Vairavusi lines running along the length of the saree. There are zari buttas all over the body of the saree. The grand pallu of the saree has intricate zari motifs of yana, that is elephants, pakshis and diamonds. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse and accessorize it with diamond jewelry. If you're a fan of the gorgeous actor Rekha, then you're sure to fall in love with this saree. Another unique and exclusive Vairavusi Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a very beautiful Kalyana Arakku. The body of this Vairavusi saree has zari lines running along the length of the saree, and there are Mail Chakram motifs in zari all over the body. The Rettapete borders have motifs of Yana and Mail, that is elephant and peacock in zari. The unique pallu of the saree has beautiful motifs of Banaras. There are also unique Tambalam motifs. Tambalam is a tray which is used for storing gifts. The saree has a running blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse. Traditional gold and diamond jewelry will look beautiful with this saree. The color of the saree is an auspicious Kalyana Arakku, and it's perfect for bridal occasions. A gorgeous Kattan Korvai Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is in a unique combination of mustard yellow and blue. The body of the saree is in a lovely shade of mustard yellow, and there are kattans or grids all over the body of the saree. The borders are Korvai borders with Rettapete zari. The blue pallu of the saree has seepareka in zari. The saree has a blue blouse fabric. You can pair this saree with its own blouse. Traditional gold jewelry, silver jewelry or beaded jewelry will look beautiful with this saree. If you love Korvai sarees and if you love Kattam or grids, then this saree is just right for you. A very elegant and subtle Kanjivaram silk saree. This one is a threadwork Kanjivaram. The body of the saree is in a very subtle pastel green, and there are threadwork motifs on the body. The borders have threadwork motifs in a combination of deep green and pink. The pallu of the sari has intricate threadwork motifs in the same color combination as the borders. The sari has a running blouse fabric, but you can pair it with a pastel pink blouse. Beaded jewelry and silver jewelry will look classic with this sari. This sari is very elegant and subtle. You can wear it to office. You can also wear it for small occasions and events and dress it up accordingly. Green is the color of nature all around us. We begin with a gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari with Vairavusi lines running along the width of the sari. This gorgeous green Kanjivaram silk sari has Vairavusi lines running along the width of the sari. The borders are in zari and they have Tudripu motifs. The gorgeous pallu of the sari has intricate zari motifs of elephants, pakshis and diamonds. The sari has a running blouse fabric. You can pair it with its own blouse or with a gold tissue blouse. You can accessorize the sari with traditional gold or diamond jewelry. This is a grand Kanjivaram silk sari, perfect for bridal and special occasions like Unjal and Nishchayadana. We have for you a lovely Kanjivaram silk sari in a unique combination of burgundy and blue. This is a Kanjivaram in a gorgeous shade of burgundy and there are diamond-shaped motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders are in a beautiful deep blue and there are 2 rows of zari motifs on the borders. The pallu of the sari is in the same blue as the borders and it has seepareka in zari. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same color as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse and accessorize it with traditional gold jewelry. This combination of burgundy and blue is a very unique combination and this sari is sure to make you stand out in a crowd. Paimadi is a textured design in Kanjivaram silk saris where the sari has the texture of a mat or pie. This sari is in a very pretty shade of pink and there is Paimadi kattam all over the body of the sari. This sari has a very textured and beautiful look. There is a stripe of zari along the edges of the sari. The pallu of the sari is very unique and very exclusive. There is a gorgeous zari paisley at one corner and there is a triangular band of zari. The sari comes with a tissue blouse fabric in pink. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or with a tissue blouse. Diamond jewelry, silver jewelry and pearl jewelry will look fabulous with this sari. Paimadi kattam is a must-have kind of sari in every Kanjivaram sari lover's wardrobe. This Paimadi kattam in pink is very beautiful and perfect for summer weddings. If you love checks and if you love subtle colors, then this Kanjivaram is just perfect for you. The body of the sari has podi kattam or tiny checks in a combination of beige and yellow. This sari doesn't have borders but there is a stripe of zari and a short blue selvage which gives the sari a beautiful look. The pallu of the sari is in a very soothing short sea green and it has seepareka in zari. The sari has a blouse fabric in the same color as the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. Beaded jewellery and pearl jewellery will look fabulous with this sari. Kattams in Kanjivarams are very versatile and these can be worn for any kind of occasion. You can accessorize these saris with beautiful jewellery depending on the occasion. Blue is a fabulous color. We have a stunning royal blue Kanjivaram silk sari which is perfect for special occasions. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari is a beautiful royal blue and there are circular coin zari buttas all over the body of the sari. The borders have zari Banaras motifs. The pallu of the sari is grand and intricate and it has lovely zari motifs of yana, that is elephant, pakshis and vangi motifs. The sari comes with a running blouse fabric but you can pair it with a gold tissue blouse. Diamond jewellery and gold jewellery will look very beautiful with this sari. This sari is perfect for bridal occasions like Nishchaydartham and Unjal. Threadwork Kanjivarams are very versatile and these can be worn for all kinds of occasions. We have a very pretty threadwork Kanjivaram silk sari in a pretty shade of pink. The body of this sari is in a very pretty shade of Rani pink and there are threadwork Pakshi motifs all over the body of the sari. The borders also have Paisri motifs and Pakshi motifs and there is a beautiful purple selvage which highlights the beauty of this sari. The pallu of the sari has intricate and elaborate threadwork with motifs of Pakshis and diamonds. The sari has a purple blouse fabric. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. You can accessorize it with silver jewellery, traditional gold jewellery or beaded jewellery. Threadwork Kanjivaram silk saris can be worn for all kinds of occasions. You can wear it to office. You can also wear it for small occasions and events. A very unique and exclusive Kanjivaram silk sari. This one has pin stripes on the body. This sari brings together Kattam and Kode, two main designs in the Kanjivaram silk sari. The body of this sari has pin stripes all over it and the borders have Kattams in a combination of blue and short plum. There are Mail Chakram motifs in zari on the borders. The blue pallu of the sari has zari motifs of yana, that is elephant and chakram motifs. The sari has a beautiful blue blouse fabric with the same borders as the sari. You can pair this sari with its own blouse or you can pair it with a short plum magenta blouse. Diamond jewellery and gold jewellery will look very beautiful with this sari. This sari brings together Kattam and Kode, two main components in the Kanjivaram. A stunning Kanjivaram in an auspicious shade of yellow. The body of this Kanjivaram silk sari has kattams or grids. These are in shades of yellow. There are zari lines along these grids. The borders of the sari are in a fresh shade of green and there are two zari stripes along the borders. The pallu of the sari is in the same short green as the borders and it has sipareke in zari. The sari has a green blouse fabric in the same shade as the borders and the pallu. You can pair this sari with its own blouse. A beautiful ruby adiga will look lovely with this sari. Yellow and green is a very unique and very different combination and it brings together the beautiful colors of summer. Our Kanjivaram silk sarees are hand woven and they are perfect for all kinds of occasions. To shop for our collection of Kanjivaram silk sarees, head over to our website www.kalpavastram.com. Thank you for watching this video. I'll be back soon with more sarees and more videos. Till then, take care and bye.